Hello everyone. In exercise 4.3, we will do the important concept of your class, that is the graph. Let's see how to make the graph of the linear equation. And this question or this type of question is very important. Most of the time, 100% times, this question or this type of graph question come in your exam. Okay, so question is draw the graph of. In the previous exercise, we did the solution concept. Same concept we will use here. We will find out its solution first. So you will make the table. Okay, so you will make the table x, y. At least find out three values. Three values find out. Clear? So if you will take x0, then what should be y? Try to do it verbally. If it is not possible for you to do it verbally, then in rough or in fair column you can find out the answer. If x is 0, then y is 4. Now take y0, then x is 4. Take any other value, let it be -1. -1, if you will take it will become y as 5. Okay. Same way, here also we will try to find out the values in fourth part, x and y. Now, at least three values, take it. If x is 0, then y is 3. But if we will take y as 0, then x value will come as 3 upon 2. So try to find out the exact numerical value. Okay. So हम क्या करते हैं? We will take x value as 1. So 2 into 1, 2. Shift it on the other side. Y will also be 1. X is -1. Shift it on the other side. It will become, here it will become -2. Shift it. You will get 5. Like same way, you can find out the solution of remaining graph linear equations also. Now let's see how to make the graph. The graph concept, you did it in your 8th class also. X dash, y dash, and this is 0. In chapter 3 also we discussed about the plotting of coordinates. So first we will mark them by taking its equal gap or the equal division. Okay, like this. -1. Always do the graph question on the graph paper, then you will get the exact answer. 0 and 4. x0 and y is 4. Then 4 and 0. This will be the value. And then -1 and 5. X is -1 and y value is 5. So somewhere here it will come at. Okay. So what should be next step now? Join all these together. Like this. And like this. All the 3 points or whatever coordinates you will get it, they will be collinear. Means they will lie in a straight line. And this is the graph of x plus y equal 4. Isn't it? It's quite easy and interesting. Come to the fourth one. Values we have already taken it. Now we will do the graph. This is x dash, y and y dash. Now put the value like this. It's quite easy questions. And scoring also. This concept is in your 10th class also. Okay. Now 0 and 3. This will first coordinate 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Here it is minus 1 and 5. X is minus 1 and y is 5. So somewhere here. What should be next step? Join them. If you will see, these are collinear. And don't forget to write the linear equation on it. So the linear equation will be 3 equal 2x plus y. Is it clear? Like this, you can make the graph of the other question parts also. Question 2. Question 2 is equations. You have to make the equations which are passing through 2 and 14. 2 and 14. You have to make the linear equation. तो क्या हम एक इक्वेशन ऐसे बना सकते हैं? x plus y equals 16. Isn't it? X is 2, y is 14. You can put it, so you will get it 16. Any other equation, linear equation, you can make it? Let's see. X minus y equal minus 12. X minus y equal minus 12. Any other? 7x minus y equals 0. 7x minus y. 7 into 2. 14 minus 14 equals 0. So can you tell me how many linear equations we can make it in which it passes through 2 and 14? We can find out infinite. Infinite linear equations we can make it, because if we will take the value of x, the variable y will get on changing over here. The value will get changed. Okay. Now question 3. Question 3 is 3, 4 lies on this linear equation and find the value of a. Since it lies on this equation, so it means that it must satisfy the equation. So हम क्या, this is x first value and the other one is y. We will put the x and y value in this linear equation. So 3 into y equal a into x plus 7. So 12 equal 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 equal 3a. So it will be 5, 3a. So what should be the value of a? 5 by 3. Why it is? Because here it is given 3 and 4 lies on this. So since 3 and 4 lies on this linear equation, so it must satisfy the linear equation. Satisfy का मतलब ये value आप उसमें put कर सकते हैं. Okay, so y instead of y and instead of x, we will put the value. We will go further to solve it. We will get the answer. Clear? Now question 4 is very important. Is very important. Question is, for the first kilometer, the fare of a taxi is ₹8, and for the next kilometers, the fare is 5 rupees per kilometer. 5 rupees per kilometer. So the question is, you have to assume that let the distance as x and the total fare as y. Now question is that after making the linear equation, you have to find its graph also. You have to plot the values of the graph also. You have to draw the graph also. Okay. अब देखिए, distance is x and for the first kilometer the amount taken is 8. तो बाकी कितने किलोमीटर्स रह जाएंगे? x minus 1, isn't it? x minus 1 रह जाएगा. तो for first kilometer fare is ₹8. So what should be the remaining kilometer? Remaining kilometer. Distance we have taken it as x. So remaining kilometer or distance will be x minus 1 kilometer. फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए x है एंड द टोटल किलोमीटर्स आर x, सॉरी रुपीज 8 है एंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस इज x, तो बाकी किलोमीटर कितना रह गया x minus 1 एंड द फेयर फॉर दिस, फेयर फॉर x minus 1 kilometer, what it should be, नेक्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए 5 रुपीज पर किलोमीटर, सो x minus 1 के लिए 5 मल्टीप्लाई x minus 1, ये रुपीज आ जाएगा एंड इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन दैट द टोटल फेयर इज y, टोटल फेयर इज y मीन्स इन दोनों का सम शुड बी इक्वल्स टू y, सो देयरफॉर 8 plus 5 x minus 1, this is the total fare and total fare we have assumed it as y, so it should be equals to y. Solve it. 8 5x minus 5 equal y. Solve it further. 5x minus y minus plus 3 equals to 0, isn't it? Or what you can do, you can shift the constant term on the other side if you want, it will come like this. So this is the, either this or this is the linear equation. Is it clear? ये linear equation हो जाएगी. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है, you have to draw the graph. So what will you do? For the graph, again same procedure as we did it over here. First of all, you have to find out the solution. Let's see. At least 3 solutions you will take it. Okay. So, if x is 0, then y will be 3. Y will be 3. Clear? Now, take x as minus 1. You will not take y as 0, because if you will take y as 0, it will become minus 3 upon 5. So you will not get the exact answer. Okay. Now take x as minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. X की जगह minus 1. So it will become minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 इधर आएगा. So it will become plus 5. So minus 3 plus 5. So it will become 2. So minus y equal 2. So y equal minus 2. You can do it verbally. Otherwise, as I had told it in the very beginning also, you can find its answer by doing the calculation in the rough column also. Now take y value as minus 2. Minus 2. So it will become minus 10. माइनस 10 इधर शिफ्ट होगा, प्लस 10 हो जाएगा, सो माइनस 3 प्लस 10, माइनस 3 प्लस 10 7, so minus y equals 7, so y will be minus 7. Clear? Now we will plot the values on the graph. 0, x dash. Don't forget to write these things also. Y dash. Now, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Here you can take it 1, 2, 3. Since minus 1 tak hai, so we will try to take it up to minus 1 or minus 8. Oh, sorry, minus 7 or minus 8, like this. Now plot the value. 0, 3. This is the first value. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. You will get this. Then minus 2 and minus 7. Minus 2 and minus 7. Somewhere here. You will get it in this way. What should be next step? Join them like this, and don't forget to write the linear equation here. 5x minus y equal minus 3. So this is the linear equation. Is it clear? So the graph concept is very important for you, for your exams point of view. So I hope now you can try the remaining parts of the question 1 as well as all the questions from questions 1 to question 4. So try the remaining parts of question 1 yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.